What's up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about the Crank Bros f15 and Jakemy bike multi-tool. The Jakemy bike multi-tool costs $10 and the Crank Brothers cost $35. The Jakemy bike multi-tool has a cool anodized aluminum on the outside, and you can unscrew this bolt to open up the chain breaker. The chain breaker has two slots to put the chain in to loosen or tighten the chain or pop out a pin. The tool has a flathead and a Phillips head screwdriver and a T25 on the other side. And on the other side you'll find 4, 5, and 6 size Allen keys and 2 other smaller sizes. And the Crank Brothers multi-tool has an anodized aluminum case, and the tool is held in by magnets. It has all different types of Allen keys. And then the other side has a flathead and Phillips screwdriver and a T25. There is a chain breaker, and it screws in with an Allen key. And the case has a bottle opener. It's a very nice case. For conclusion, if I had to buy one of these, then I would buy the Jakemy tool because it's cheaper. But the Crank Brothers tool is nicer and looks cooler, but the Jakemy does the job just as well as the Crank Brothers. And if you want to buy these, there are links in the description. Thanks for watching. Make sure to ride your damn bike. Bye.